I just got this box in the mail from Oakley. My new Oakley gas cans. I'm gonna open it up. Shipping info. Here we go. Little Oakley box. Usually it says custom on it. It's weird. There we go. Nice white custom case. Usually they're black. I like the white better. Oh. I got the black and silver ghost text, bronze polarized lenses, and the red Oakley symbol. They're pretty sweet. They were like 180 bucks. Pretty expensive. Wanted to get the gas can S's, but they don't make them anymore. Gas cans are a little big in my face, but they look good. They're nice.